Dude, did you hear about this new drink? I just got it like down the street from this weird kid, and he handed it to me. Said it's like has your limbs like grow either really long or really short, but he's probably like lying because he's a little kid.
Let's read it anyways. Limbs will either grow extremely long or really, really tiny. I mean, what's it gonna do anyways?
Let's just try it.
Not that bad.
Yeah, I don't think anything's gonna happen.
All right, well, see ya.
Okay, bye.
Hey man, should I go this way or this way?
Doesn't matter.
All right, I'll just go this way.
Tempest, look at your arm.
Huh? Oh no!
Wait,
no!
look at my hand. Now for Bearded Dragon ASMR. Yay! Hey rats, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am here with Tempest.
That is Dr. Tempest.
And today we are going to be doing some science experiments. Let's get squeaking. Okay, so first off, we're going to add our stuff.
Secret formula.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. We only need a couple drops of it.
And if you can notice, it is, I'll splash a little on my finger. In the pan, the formula is actually green.
Very nice coloring.
Yep.
Oh wait,
I'm gonna wash my hands off.
while you're doing that, we can't forget our safety goggles.
Oh. Yeah. You go get those on.
Where are yours?
I don't need them.
Oh, every scientist needs safety goggles.
Not me. Okay. So then after we add secret formula, we're gonna add this white powder. Would you like to do the honors?
I'll do it. Okay, how much should I add though?
Just add and see what happens.
All right, here we go. Whoa, it's foaming up. Let's add more and see what happens.
More.
Whoa, it bubbles out blue. Oh, it's like, that's a cool science experiment. You need to teach me how to do that, man.
Okay, if you want to learn and do it at your house, first ask somebody or tell somebody that you're going to do it. But first, you need some vinegar.
You can dye it if you want like we did.
And you need some baking soda.
Yeah, first put in the vinegar like we did. And then you're going to add some baking soda. And I like doing it in a container with a small top so then it flows out like it did.
Yeah. Okay, let's go on to the next one. Okay, so our next experiment, we're gonna be having, you're gonna have to have a parent because we are using fire.
Okay, so we have water on a pizza tray here. You can use any kind of tray, but we recommend it big and a little bit flat to help you see it.
And we colored it so you can kind of see the water better. So first, you're gonna need a candle.
Set it in the middle of your water tray and light it up.
And light it.
There we go.
Okay, after you light it, Tempest, you might need to take the phone and so it can see the water going up.
All right. You're gonna put this glass on top of it.
On top.
And you'll see the water coming up the glass.
Just wait a little bit.
Look, watch that water coming up. Isn't that so crazy? And then it'll lift up and start floating.
And the candle is out.
Oh, wow. Try this science experiment at home. But make sure you have an adult.
And look at what happens. It floats for a little bit. You might be wondering why that happened. Well, the flame is hot and the air is hot, right? Yeah. And the water is cold and the air is cold. Well, the hot air has high pressure and the cold air has low pressure. So when you put in, the air travels from low pressure to high pressure. So when you put the cup over the flame, then it has the high pressure air or hot air in there, and the cold air or water wants to get to it. So it goes under the glass up to it. That is why.
All right, now for our final and best experiment.
Okay, so we haven't tested this one out exactly. You might want to pair it with you for this one.
So you're gonna add a half of a cup of hydrogen peroxide to your bottle. Then you're gonna add a big squirt of dish soap.
Would you want to do that?
I'll do that, sure. Don't know how much, but let's just say a big squirt. Does that work?
Yep.
That'll work.
And
you're gonna swirl it around to mix it, just like this. Like a chemistry person would, a mad scientist, like Cannon.
all right, now you can add some food coloring,
If you want it to be colored.
and we're gonna add some 2 colors.
Okay.
Okay, so we're gonna add some. This kind of shows up as a blue, so we're gonna add some blue, I guess.
And then some reddish pink.
Okay, now
Cannon, you want to swirl it?
swirl it. Yes, I do.
No, swirl it.
I'll just. Yeah. It's that side. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna
Swirl it.
swirl it. Yeah.
Wow,
And-
that's a very dark color. But when you add in the other stuff, it will work.
Okay, so is this the final ingredient?
Yes. So
Hey,
this is
you might-
yeast.
Want safety goggles for this, Tempest?
All right.
I'll pour it.
Okay, so this is yeast mixed with hot water, and we'll give you the exact measurements at the end. But get ready for fascination.
3.
Let's add it in. Whoa, it's so foamy!
Oh.
Just watch, just watch.
Oh,
Oh.
is it coming up?
Oh my gosh, it feels so fluffy, and it's so warm.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, this is so cool. You're gonna really want to do this one at home. And I would recommend goggles and parent supervision.
This one wasn't as big as we've seen them, but it was still fun.
Go and watch Mark Rober's video where he does the biggest thing of elephant toothpaste.
Smells like dish soap.
It actually smells pretty good. And
Yeah.
it just won't stop coming out. There's so much. And it feels literally like shaving cream. It feels so good.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
it's kind of messy.
I'm gonna wash my hands, so
All right.
yeah. Bye.
Bye. So if you're looking for the measurements, it was a half cup of hydrogen peroxide. It was 1 tablespoon of yeast.
And 3 tablespoons of warm water
Yep. And you want to mix the warm water with the yeast before you
for
put it
30
in.
seconds.
Yeah. And make sure it's not super clumpy.
Yeah.
It's more of a paste water thing.
Okay, well, see you next week. Bye.
Bye, guys.